Hey guys, welcome to Online Income Lab. My name is Darren. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please do click that button below. Try to build this a YouTube channel and I'd really appreciate your support. Okay, so today's video is how to start affiliate marketing without any money, step by step. So stick with me. Okay, most people think you need money to get started with affiliate marketing and things like websites, ads, expensive software. Okay, so here's how you're going to get started with zero. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can find a free affiliate offer that you can join and start promoting today. When I first looked into affiliate and digital marketing, I thought you just needed hundreds, if not thousands of pounds just to get started. And the reason I thought that was because of websites, branding, ads. And honestly, I nearly didn't bother even getting started because it was during COVID, funds were tight. Okay. It was like, But here's the truth, right? So you don't need any of that. You can actually get started with affiliate marketing today with no upfront cost. And I'm going to show you the 3 steps that will allow you to do that, right? So let me give you an example of a free affiliate program you can join right now. So step 1, a free funnel. Okay, step 1 is your system. Instead of paying for websites and tools, you can use free funnel builders like System.io, I should say. It's something that lets you create a simple landing page, capture emails, and send people to your offer. Now, it's completely free. All you need is a 1 page to collect emails and 1 page for your offer. That's it. I've spoken about it many, many times. 1 page to collect emails, sends them to your bridge page, where if you're an affiliate for someone else, a bridge page is you either recording a short video, introducing your audience to the affiliate offer, or it can be just a picture of yourself with a little bit of a story and you talking about the product that you're offering. If you don't want to create a video when you're first getting started, that's the best way to do it. Okay, so step 2, yes, choosing the right offer is so important. So step 2 is something that you're ideally passionate about. Okay, so don't waste time promoting random low ticket products because you're going to do the same amount of work for whether it's a $10 commission or a $200 commission, right? So just choose wisely. Look for something digital ideally because you not then got to worry about shipping costs, etc. So that's very important. High quality, ideally something that pays you monthly recurring commissions as well, because sell it once, you've got monthly recurring commissions from just 1 sale. So here's a free example for you. System.io, okay? You can join their own affiliate program. So not only can you use their software, so it's free to join, it pays recurring commissions, meaning you can earn month after month from a single sign up, right? If you're ready to take that further, another incredible option is Russell Brunson's Offer Lab. Now, you may not have heard of Russell Brunson if you're not involved in this space already, or you may well have done. He's the owner and creator of ClickFunnels as well. Russell has just launched Offer Lab, which is a premium marketplace where people, affiliates and newbies and experienced affiliates, super affiliates, put their products and services into the Offer Lab. And then you coming into it can just grab and promote multiple offers and build a business from other people's products and services and offer whatever you want. And you can change that every week if you want to, right? So it does allow you to craft irresistible offers and sell them for commissions, right? And it also pay you commissions for bringing other people into that business model as well, Offer Lab. So I will leave my affiliate link for both of these down below, System.io and Offer Lab. Okay. And yes, they are affiliate commissions, affiliate links. So if you do sign up and you do purchase and you go to that level, then yes, I'll get affiliate commissions. But remember, System.io is a free account to get started with. You don't need to upgrade that unless you want to start creating multiple campaigns, unless you get to 2,000 subscribers. By then, it's not going to bother you anyway. Okay, but have a look at both. Great options. A couple of others I can recommend for you are things like digistore.com, and ClickBank is another one where you can search for offers. to become an affiliate, and they give you an affiliate link and you can just promote them. Remember though, it's so important to capture an email address. So don't be just throwing a load of affiliate links out there. Okay. It is so important. Capture an email address, send your customer to a bridge page where you're introducing the offer. Build your email list. That's so important. Okay. Step 3, driving free traffic. Okay. Now this is so important. I just can't stress that enough. Step 3 is traffic. And here's the best part. You don't need ads because you've got platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Threads, Instagram, Facebook. Okay. These are going to give you free reach, global reach. So share your story, share tips you've learned, and speak to the beginner version of yourself. That's how you're going to start building an audience who trusts you. Okay, so let's recap. Use free tools like System.io to build your funnel, okay, and your email campaigns. Pick high quality offers. Start with System.io's free affiliate program, or level up with Russell Brunson's Offer Lab. You can go in there and you can promote whatever you want. Okay. Drive free traffic with consistent content. And that's it. No website, no ads, no huge upfront costs. And if you want me to walk you through the exact setup, step by step, I put together a free training. It's linked in the description below. Go and have a look at that. That will really simplify and tell you the 3 truths about making an income online, making your first $1,000 online. Go and have a look at that. I'll leave these 2 affiliate offers I mentioned down below. Go grab them, take action today. Don't overcomplicate this, okay? The simpler you keep it, the faster you'll move forward in your business. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.